everyone, so today we're at the Neuhaus outlet factory, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna go inside and look at all the stuff and all the things. So let's go around. We're here with 1 million people as well, so I'm probably just going to do voiceovers because it will be very loud because we have like 10 kids. So here we go. So the entrance is around the corner from the front, and you just make your way on in and you sanitize it right here before you go try the chocolate. Once you get inside, there's tons of chocolate that's pre-packaged and in little wrappers and boxes, etc. And there's a lot of different deals and stuff going, and you'll see all those as you're in there. But the tasting of the chocolate actually happens on the back wall back there. And then it kind of gets a little crazy, so just be prepared. Which one is it? Say it out loud for me.
If you don't like it, it's garbage and you throw it away.
Oh, okay. I mean, if you don't like it. Dark chocolate hazelnut. It's a cornet. Is it good? Yeah? Okay. The boxes will all have descriptions in all the different languages so you know what you're eating, and they're just open like this. You just go and you grab what you'd like to try. We ended up starting to share because like whole pieces were just too much, and we set some limits for the kids. Something to pay attention to is that on the boxes, it will also mark if there's coffee in it or if there's alcohol in it. And where it says wine pairing, it just means it would be good with wine, not that there's wine in it. And also on the boxes, if you look up, there are expiration dates, and they're usually only good for about a month after the expiration date, so be aware of that. There's also boxes down below. So we were like on that top area eating our heart's content out of chocolate, and for like not even seeing that there was all those boxes below. So don't forget to look down. There's boxes below that you can also try. And there was so many really cool flavors and interesting, as well as just some traditional, chocolate, milk chocolate kind of things. As you're also looking through the store, they, like I said, will have a lot of deals. And they also still might have some things sitting out like that you can try like as you're walking around and kind of get an idea. Sometimes they have the cookies out too that you can try. That's what our friend had told us. Plus there's a lot of holiday stuff and like touristy type items in that collection. My youngest here was so excited to show me her favorite kind and that it was for sale. She found it in the bags because that is the kind she loved. They also have a demo window.
Yes, but it's hollow.
It is hollow, but he's going to pop it out of the mold.
Yeah, because it's stick.
Ah, he came out. So while this wasn't interactive, it was cool to watch him like fill it back up and see how the molds worked, and then also kind of how they saved the chocolate that they had maybe lost in the process, and they added it back in to use it. What was your favorite chocolates that you had inside?
Mine was a milk chocolate caramel cornet.
Okay, the milk chocolate caramel cornet. What was your favorite?
Chocolate cornet. It was really good, and it looked like ice cream.
That's the only one, and that's the only one you wanted to buy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's ask Jackson. What was your favorite chocolate?
I'd have to say the milk chocolate with the caramel in it. I forgot what it's called.
Was it the cone or was it the like a square?
It was a square. It
Okay.
was more of a rectangle. And I also loved the coffee bean looking one, except it wasn't coffee. It was milk chocolate.
It was a cocoa bean with chocolate ganache.
Yeah, I really liked that one too.
Yep.
Technically, I think that's my favorite.
Okay, and everybody, what did we end up getting?
Two cute Easter bunnies.
We actually got 3 Easter bunnies, and there's chocolate inside, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember how much it was?
Chocolate.
It was 10 all,
that are wrapped up in little colorful tin foil.
and it was 10 altogether, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
that is
so 3 for
very
10.
key.
Yeah. Go ahead and open it. Show me what's inside.
Here's the bunny that I was talking about.
Okay,
One
I'll
of
take
them
the
is
wrapper.
free.
Yep.
And it has a cute bow.
Very cute bow.
I am gonna keep that.
Okay, I'll hold on to it
Nope,
for you.
I'm gonna put it on
Okay,
here.
good idea. Hey, bunny day.
And then you can.
Moved away from the bee. Go ahead. Open it. I took off the tape.
Hey, it'll open like this.
Oh my goodness, look at all of those. Is there a guide? Was the guide on the tag? So how many
Guide.
chocolates are inside?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9. There are 9 chocolates.
Oh my goodness, 9 chocolates inside the bunnies. That's fantastic. The back side might show us what's what.
Dang it.
Okay. Alright, so that's it from us today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we hope you have a great day.